Hey, what's up guys, Nadeep back here with another video. So in this video I'll be talking about the Boat Earphones 252 V2. So this earphones has been out there in the market for like more than 1 or 2 years, but still I'm reviewing this video. Why? In order to bring certain conclusion at the end part of the video why you should not consider buying these earphones even if you have the budget getting an earphone under 1000 rupees. So as I forgot to mention in the intro section that in this video I will be covering up the unboxing part, the listening part, the build quality and what are the contents Boat has to offer in the package that if you buy it in a sealed content. So let's see. First of all, you are getting a Bluetooth version 5.0, IPX4 sweat and water resistant, dual pairing mode, getting 10mm titanium drivers, up to 15 hours of non-stop playback, lightweight ergonomic design, as well as getting a magnetic earbuds. So this is Boat 103 wireless earphones. This is pretty cool, and this box, or you could say this earbuds, is pretty much for my mom. So I got it today. I think my mom will really love it. So let's open it up and let's check out what this is and how it's made up. The headset is out. So inside the box you get all this Boat thing. You get the the charging brick. So inside the package you get this Boat warranty card. You get some cards regarding for help and support, and that Mumbai Indian stickers like the Boat products usually give with their packaging. And in the box, 1 year warranty card, one sticker if you want to paste it on your fridge and like that. And you get additional 2 pairs of small and medium size ear tips. So if you think that if you're gonna lose some of your ear tips, so they have also given some extra one to help you out. And you get this small very small cable that will help the earphone to get charged. But I am really disappointed that they should have provided type C instead of type A, but it's cool for the price. So here is the main material. Let me remove the cover. It's like cake, like removing plastic from a well premium cake. So this is the earphone. Wow. So these earphones I have pretty much bought it for my mom, and when I gifted her these earphones, I think that while using she faced a difficulty, that is the fitting issue. So these earphones rubber tips are not well made. Even though I have used this small tipped rubber, the earphones couldn't keep up with the fit in my ear hole as well as my mom's ear hole. The medium and the large size rubber tip options are only good, but the smaller and the tiniest rubber tips are not at all good even for the smallest ear if you have got. So the cons is that the fitting is really bad. Second con feature will be about its connectivity issue. Even though if you keep your wireless earphones on and keep your smartphone 1 or 2 meters away from the earphones, it will lag, and a constant voice mail about the Bluetooth connectivity loss will interrupt you always within 2 seconds. So that will be quite annoying. If you have a low battery, then you will also get a voicemail regarding that there is a low battery on the earphones, you need to charge it. There is a low battery on the earphones, you need to charge it on every 2 seconds. If you are using this earphone while running, there will be a connectivity issue. If you are using this earphone on gym, there will be a connectivity issue. But if you use these earphones while sitting idle, just listening a good melodious song, enjoying song, or any kind of stress-free song while you are traveling in a bus, train, or sitting idle at your home, office, anywhere, these earphones are very good for you. For the pros section, the sound quality is good, the bass is good enough for the price, and you will not get enough surrounding noise even though it's not tagged as noise cancellation earphones. Third is the battery issue. Even though the pros has got that it has got a good fast charging capability, and for the con section it has also got its name as the fast drainage earphone. Even though it charges fast, the drainage also comes in hand as fast as it charges. The company claims to have it has to get a 12 hours of backup, but for regular use you will get only 6 to 7 hours of backup, not even 8. But if you interrupt playing and if you do kind of like, if you listen like music for 10 to 20 minutes, then again listen to music after half an hour, 1 hour, it can last a full day. But if you are listening or if you have turned your earphones always on, then it will not last more than 6 to 7 hours. So company claiming its policy of about maintaining the earphones for 12 hours of playback, it's false. You get only 6 to 7 hours of playback. So let's hear about the sound which these earphones comes. So I'll be keeping that 2 earbuds on my this condenser microphone and you can hear the sound quality. But do remember, for the price, these earphones really has good bass, good clarity and good treble. So for the sound it has got no compromises, but for the build it has got loss in premiumness. So guys, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you have liked it. So that was my particular reviews about the pros and cons of this earphone. Even though it has been 2 years since the launch, if I'm going to conclude at the end of the video how this earphone is, so I'll be telling you guys that it's average. For the build quality, it's built for average users, not from the premium buyers who looks very good premium materials. So premiumness is not at all there in the headphones. All the basic functionality, play, pause, stop, next, Google Assistant or Siri or Amazon Assistant or whatever functions has been included. Average battery life. And for the con part, I'll be telling you guys that it has got connectivity issue, but if you're doing any running work, nodding head and body shaking and all, running like that things, then this earphones will be making a connectivity issue. And it has got no long range for the Bluetooth it offers, because earphones coming under 1000 rupees has got a pretty much good range. So these earphones, if you keep it even 1 meter or 2 meter away, you will also get a connectivity issue. And nothing else I have got. It's all the pros and cons I have mentioned in the video. So the suggestion is, don't buy this earphone, get something else, get something non-branded also, it will work. But if you are going to buy it for the sound quality or bass quality or treble quality, then this earphone has got your back. Regardless of that, this earphones is average. So guys, if you are willing to really buy this earphones, so I'll be placing a link in the description below. There's a discount going on, so just press on the link and you can get a discount on this earphone. So guys, it's Nadi once again signing out. Till then, keep calm, have a great day, see you at the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos that will be uploaded on my channel. So see ya and see you at the next one.